Yes folks, good morning, here we are. We're going to pick up my parcel. Got to pay £1.50. Man, look, do you know where there's lots of guano just in this one spot on the pavement? Look at that, just in that one spot. Well folks, it's because there is a lamppost here, and obviously the birds sit on that and splat it down there, so that's the only place you'll find it, under the lampposts. Yeah, so anyway, after that little bit of general knowledge there, we're going to go and pick up this parcel. I pay £1.50. So I think it's razors. I think it's razors. Right folks, what have we got? I think it feels like a razor, so I think it's probably a razor. Yeah, there we are. Right, what have we got here? That's a Gillette. Oh crikey, look, it's a posh one, man. It's one of these. Crikey, look, it's one of these ones Jeff Sterling and Chris Kamara advertised. Goodness me. Oh, there's loads of them. Excellent. Got some razors there and some razor heads. God, this one's got about 4 razor. Oh my goodness me, I'm gonna have a good shave with that, aren't I? Is it right? Crikey, there's no cover on that one. That's and another one here. So as I paid £1.50 for 2 good razors, and I don't know why I didn't want them, but yeah. So look at this mechanism. That's amazing. Look. Oh, it's gonna really be a smooth shave. That one. It's gonna be a. Should be a good shave, so thank you very much for that. And I've got a few razors, a few heads there, and a couple more razors, so that's very good of you. Thank you. There we are. Right, who was it from again? Oh, I can't remember the chap's name. It's terrible. Anyway, thank you very much for those. Really kind of you, mate. I really appreciate that. Thank you. I'll find your name and I'll put it along at the bottom here. Yes, I will, and I'll give you a shout out in the next segment.
Red number 10, white 79, red 13, blue 46, yellow 27, white 73, white 70.
Righto, folks. Now then, just bumped into Sam in the shop there, so he said hello to me because he's a follower. So hello, Sam, and son as well. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much indeed for stopping me and saying hello. Yeah, I love it. Great. I bought some Snickers. I like Snickers now, man. It's weird, isn't it? I like that peanutty bite. It's good. It's just a bit more oomph than a Mars bar, isn't it? And we've also got, it's quite heavy to lift this bread, man. Look, I've got a massive loaf of bread. Look at this. It's humongous. Look, it's about as big as my head. And this is Lancashire. Lancashire's thoroughbred soft white bloomer. So, of course, it was £1.49, but it's Lancashire, isn't it? We get Lancashire tea, that's really good. So we've got Lancashire bread to go with it, man. But, oh, it's so heavy, goodness me. Listen to this. The whole kitchen shook. Talking of the kitchen, by the way. Now then, we've still got a few bits left. Owen has, he's not been back, man. So we're getting a bit concerned because we need these cupboards. We can't live like this. We need the cupboards fixed, Owen. Come on, man, what's going on? We've got the pole, so I could fix the pole onto there. But we need the end. The end needs to be sort of done. I don't know what he said. He was going to chop a bit off, but he's not come back. So I'm a bit disappointed, but just feel a bit let down by him because he's not come back. Owen, come on, man, get your act together, get back down here, and get this finished for us. Could you, mate, please? We don't like living like this. Look, we're in sort of limbo still until he comes and fixes it. And we need the tap sort of. The tap's okay, but it needs tightened. So just a few odd things like that. Just annoying us, man. We need to just get everything finished. So come on, Owen. Oh, I mean, I could do it myself, I suppose, but I'm a bit scared to drill. I hate drilling. I could put the handles on, but I'll probably put one up too high or something. I just wouldn't do it right. Oh, we need those doors fixed, Owen, as well. So come on, mate. Please get your act together. Thank you. Right, I've got these razors. Look at this. I've got 2 of them. They're quite expensive razors, these. So they got sent to me. Fantastic. Now, who sent them? Hang on. So there's these razors, folks. We'll have to give them a test run. I'm going to grow a bit of stubble there over the next couple of days. Ian May, thank you so much for sending them, man. Very good, Ian. I got some cartridges. Look, I've got cartridges, 4 things. But these are a bit expensive in the shops, man. I've seen them. They're a tenner each. But it's a really nice mechanism they've got there. Look, So it's got like a two-way kind of thing. So it's going to get over all the dimples and the creases. Yeah, it's awesome. Really, really, I like the mechanism, man. It's great. It's got 4. Is it 4 blades? 4 blades, man. Good Lord, that'll... Oh, yes. Can't wait. Imagine can't wait to shave it. How sad my life is. Anyway, folks, yes, that's it. So, excellent. Put them in the bathroom and we'll be giving them a test in the next couple of videos.
If we beat Colombia, we then have probably an easier way to get to the final. We would avoid, for example, Brazil.
Hi, folks. Welcome to Spillage HQ, where we are going to be discussing the rubbish scenario from last night. Yes, you saw me down at the castle there with the penguin and the rubbish. Well, Bro sent my my video to the Courier, that's our local paper, and they've put it on their webpage, and it's front page news basically, man. And it says online filmmaker Jag Betty was on the blah 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 blah. So I'm an online filmmaker, folks. Yes, and it also said Arthur Lamb was mentioned in it as well. He had a comment about his. He said it's ridiculous and all this kind of stuff. So, and they've sent a special squad down there to clean up the mess. But it was sun worshippers leave mess, shocking scenes and all this kind of things. My video was on there. It's online, folks. Yes, it was. Excellent. So it's a bit more exposure there. It's fantastic. Hope we get a few more subscribers. Excellent. Right. Got to go back to work, folks. Yes, indeed. Batman. There now follows a musical interlude. Right, folks, I'd just like to give my new songs on SoundCloud a plug. Got 2 new songs on. They're both instrumental. One's called Want, the other one's called Stay. They're on SoundCloud. Here's the link to it. Go check them out. They're just instrumental. Hopefully, Bro will be able to use them on his video, so they should be on a couple of his videos quite soon, folks. Thank you very much. Floss, 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 floss. We're flossing, we're flossing.
There is boobs.
Half an hour for the next bus, folks. It's a long wait. Thank you. What's another ham sandwich, folks? Yes, sure is. Right, folks, well, it's in now. It's 5 to 11. I'm just going to have a cup of tea and a sandwich. Now, I'm addicted to ham sandwiches at the moment. That's my latest addiction. This addictive personality is just it's taken over, man. It's too much. I was coming home and I'm thinking, oh yeah, I really want a ham sandwich. I've got to have a ham sandwich, man, when I get in. And I was all ready for the ham sandwich, and here it is, folks. So, I've had about 4 ham sandwiches. I had one last night, one this morning, one tonight. I think I had another one. Yeah, so that's 4, 5. Can't remember now, but yes, that's my latest addiction, folks, is the ham sandwich with a cup of tea and also a bag of crisps as well. Got to have crisps with your ham sandwich. Now the perfect cup of tea. Well, that's a difficult one, that, isn't it? I like my tea bag to stew. It should be about 3 minutes for the flavour to totally infuse and get out into the mug. So I like to leave my tea bag in for at least a couple of minutes, and then we put it into the waste bucket. Oops, and then of course we have the do you put the milk in first or the sugar in first? I mean, what's a lot of nonsense, man. It doesn't really matter what you put in first, in my opinion. So there's the milk going in. I never used to like a lot of milk in my tea, but these days I've started to take a little bit more. And now this is my downfall, man. Sugar. I like two and a bit. There you go. There's only more sugar left. Got some sugar left. Yes. Need to refill the sugar. Getting a bit low. Folks, look, what a mess. Oh my god. Rosie's going to go mental. Oh, no, look. Right, folks, it's a total disaster here. While I was filming that in a slow-mo, I missed the thing altogether. And look at the mess I've made, honestly. Look at it. It's just a disaster, man. God's sake, Jack, honestly. Trying to do a slow-mo with the sugar, and that's what happens. Goodness me. Right, let's try and clean this up. There it is, folks. The Penguin Parade has started. Yes. Right, folks. Remember now, check out my new songs on SoundCloud. I'm giving my channel a plug. There it is. Go on SoundCloud and check out fantastic sounds of Jag Betty. I think some of my songs go back like 2 or 3 years. I really must go and change them. But the new ones are called Want and Stay. So there you go. Thank you. I urge you to listen to them. Thank you. Right, folks. Now then, did you? Hang on, we'll start about again.